After share capital, we need to take reserve. And as reserve and surplus both are together given in the balance sheet, we have to divide them. We have to separate the reserve and profit. So that is given in a note 2 here, general reserve. So general reserve is 10,000 of Maya Limited and 25,000 is the profit. So this profit and general reserve may be included last year profit and general reserve also. So that information is given in the here. Jaya Limited acquires the shares of Maya Limited on 1/4/2017 when the profit and loss account of Maya Limited stood at rupees 16,000 credit. Credit means here there is a profit. Okay, that means here this 25,000 rupees profit includes this 16,000 of last year. That if we deduct that 16,000 from 25,000, we get 9,000, and that 9,000 is the profit for the current year. And this 16,000, as it is belongs to last year also, so it is considered as a it is added to the pre-acquisition profit. And next comes, there was no general reserve. Okay, so that means last year they have not made any reserve for the company. Okay, this year they have made 10,000, and this 10,000 is to be divided as per pre-acquisition period and post-acquisition period. But here pre-acquisition period is 0 months. So 0 months means this year there is no pre-acquisition reserve, and this 10,000 is entire belongs to the post-acquisition period. And here you write pre-acquisition period nil and post-acquisition 10,000, and this 10,000 is again divided as per the capital ratio 3:1 between the Jaya Limited and Maya Limited. And for Jaya Limited 6,000 and for Maya Limited 4,000. And next come to the profit. So as I said, 16,000 is belongs to the last year. It has to be added to the pre-acquisition period profit. As pre-acquisition period is 0, the profit for pre-acquisition period is nil. So 16,000 plus 0, that is 16,000 is the pre-acquisition period profit. And again this 16,000 is to be divided between the Jaya and Maya Limited as per capital ratio 3:1, and that comes to be 12,000 for Jaya Limited and 4,000 to the Maya Limited. And next, post-acquisition period profit, as 25,000 minus 16,000 is 9,000 is the profit for the current year, and that also belongs to the post-acquisition period. And here 9,000 total we need to divide between the Jaya and Maya Limited as per 3:1. So that stood to be 6,750 for Jaya Limited and 2,250 for Maya Limited. And finally make the total. This total is called as the from this total minority interest total. That total of total column is 1,15,000, and Jaya Limited comes to be 86,250 and Maya Limited 28,750 rupees is the minority interest. This Maya Limited company total is the minority interest, and this minority interest is taken into the balance sheet. And next we need to calculate goodwill or capital reserve, what we made out of the profit.